chapter hyperbolic functions. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1A part 3. Last part, 2 parts are completed. Impounded formulas of the hyperbolic function. Some component angles formulas is there, some multiple and submultiple formulas also be there, some definition of the hyperbolic functions also be there. Read and write that the formulas perfectly, you get easily understood in this exercise 9A. Today discuss exercise 9A, only one exercise, that problems. Exercise 9A, first problem is what? If sin hx is equal to 3/4, find cos h of 2x. Second one, sin h of 2x. Here sin h of x is given. What is the value of sin of h of x? Sin h of x is equal to 3/4. First we can find which value? Cos h of 2x. Cos h of 2x formula in terms of sin is there or not there? Is there. What is the formula of cos h of 2x in terms of sin? 1 plus 2 sin h square x. 1 plus 2, you know that sin hx value 3/4, that's why you can write 3/4 whole square, that is equal to 1 plus 2 into 3/4 whole square, nothing but 9/3 square value 9/4 square value 16, that equal to 1 plus 2 ones are 2 8s are 9/8. You can write take LCM 8 plus 9, you get 17/8. 9 plus 8 how much? 17/8. This is the value of cos h of 2x. Cos h of 2x is completed. Next, by the first identity of the hyperbolic function. What is the first identity? Cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. This is the first identity of the which hyperbolic function. In this function, you can take in place of h to x cos h square of 2x minus sin h square of 2x equal to 1. In this two equation, you know that which value? You know that cos h of 2x value. You can find this value, you can substitute it in this equation, you can find sin h of 2x. Okay, steps. After that, you can write what is the value of cos h of 2x value? 17/8. 17/8 whole square minus sin h square of 2x equal to 1. After that, simplify this one. This minus sin h square of 2x that goes to that side, 1 goes to here. 17 square. 17 square value how much? 17 is 289. Once again check friends. 17 17 is 17 7 190. 17 1 is 17. 17 plus 11 28. 289. 289 by 64. This plus value got to minus 1 is equal to sin h square of 2x. After that, we have to take LCM 64. 289 minus 64 is equal to sin h square of 2x. You can substitute it here 64. You get 5, 2, 2, you get 225. That's why you can write sin h square of 2x is equal to 225 by 64. Then sin h of 2x is equal to square root of 225 by 64. Yes, sin h of 2x, yes, square goes to that side, square root. That's why sin h of 2x equal to square root of 225 by square root of 64. You know that the square root of 225 value, what is that value? Square root of 225 value is 15 by square root of 64 value is 8. This is the value of sin h of 2x. This is the value of cos h of 2x. Cos h of 2x value is 17/8. Sin h of 2x value 15/8. This formula is coming to the IP examination minimum 10 times. This is very important repeated problem in IP examination. 10th question 2 marks problem. Next problem is prove that tan of h of x minus y is equal to tan hx minus tan hy all by 1 minus tan hx into tan hy. Suppose what is this one? This one is formula. You can prove that this formula by using formulas. But here first of all we have to take LHS one. What is the LHS one? Tan h of x minus y. What is the formula of tan h of x minus y? Tan h of x minus y we can write as sin by cos. Sin h of x minus y by cos h of x minus y. After that we can write sin h of x minus y formula. You know that what is that formula? Sin hx into cos hy minus cos hx into sin hy. This is the formula of sin of h of x minus y. Cos h of x minus y formula cos hx into cos hy minus sin hx into sin hy. These formulas are coming to the which compound angle formulas. That's why you can write next numerator and denominator dividing with cos hx into cos hy. Divided with cos hx into cos hy. You get what, friends? You get what? Sin hx into cos hy minus cos hx into sin hy whole by cos hx into cos hy whole by numerator divided with cos hx into cos hy. Similar denominator cos hx into cos hy minus sin hx into sin hy whole by cos hx into cos hy. After that, you can write separated numerator sin hx into cos hy by cos hx into cos hy minus cos hx into sin hy by cos hx into cos hy. Numerator completed. Denominator also be separated. Cos hx into cos hy whole by cos hx into cos hy minus sin hx into sin hy whole by cos hx into cos hy. After that, we can write tan of h of x minus y equal to here cos hy get cancelled. Cos hx get cancelled. Here cos hx cos hy get cancelled. Sin hx by cos hx you can write tan hx minus sin hy by cos hy you can write tan hy all by here no one is there, only 1 by 1 is there, that is value 1 minus sin h by cos hx you can write tan hx. Sin h by cos hy you can write tan hy. That's why you can write 1 minus tan hx into tan hy. This is the RHS part. Correct or not, students? Tan hx minus tan hy by 1 minus tan hx into tan hy. In this way you can prove that in this model promise. In this model prove that sin h of 3x is equal to 3 sin hx plus 4 sin h cube x. This is also the formula. This formula you can prove that. First of all, we have to take LHS part. What is the LHS part? LHS part is sin h of 3x. Sin h of 3x you can written as sin h of 2x plus x. Correct or not, students? 2x plus x how much? 3x. Sin h of x plus y formula is there. What is that formula? Sin h of 2x into cos hx plus cos h of 2x into sin hx. Sin h of x plus y. Sin hx into cos hy plus cos hx into sin hy. Its value is 2x. That's why you can write sin h of 2x is equal to formula is there. 2 sin hx into cos hx. Similarly, cos h of 2x also the formula is there. Both formula is there. You can write in terms of sin formula 1 plus 2 sin h square x. You can write these two formulas in this sin h of 3x equal to sin h of 2x value is 2 sin hx into cos hx into cos hx plus you can write this is sin h of 2x value 2 sin hx into cos hx into cos hx. Cos h of 2x value you can write 1 plus 2 sin h square x into sin hx. After that you can write this one is 2 sin hx into cos hx into cos hx. You can write cos h square x plus 1 into sin hx. You can write sin hx plus 2 into sin h square x. Sin h square x into sin hx. You can write 2 into sin h cube x. After that you can write in this two term which one is common? Just sin hx is common. Correct or not, students? In this two term sin hx is common. You can write suppose in this two term which one is common? 2 sin hx is common. Here 2 sin hx is there. Here also be 2 sin hx is there. That is common. You get cos h square x plus sin h square x plus sin hx. Understood or not? Here sin hx is singular. First term and last term you can common 2 sin hx. After that here cos h square x is there. Here 2 common, sin hx common, remaining sin h square x is there. That's why by the first identity, cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. Minus sin h square x equal to 1. Then cos h square x equal to 1 plus sin h square x. This is the formula. You can write in place of cos h square x 1 plus sin h square x plus sin h square x plus sin hx. After that you can write 2 sin hx into 1 plus sin h square x into sin h square x plus sin h square x. 2 sin h square x plus sin hx. After that multiplied internally 2 sin hx into 1 you can write 2 sin hx plus 2 sin h 2 2s are 4 sin hx into sin h square x you can write 4 sin h cube x plus here sin hx is the last term. This sin hx plus 2 sin hx you can write 3 sin hx plus 4 sin h cube x. This is the RHS part. Correct or not, check students? 3 sin hx plus 4 sin h cube x. This is the RHS part. You have to take LHS. You can use compound angle formulas and multiple angle formulas. Identities, you get answer. In this model problems are also be asked in IP examination. Today assignment problems are homework problems, previous problem model. First one, prove that tan h of 3x is equal to 3 tan hx plus tan h cube x by 1 plus 3 tan h square x. First we have to take LHS part, tan h of 3x. You can write this one is tan h of 2x plus x. You can write tan h of 2x plus tan h of x all by 1 plus tan h of 2x into tan hx. After that we can write in this formula tan h of 2x equal to 2 tan hx by 1 plus tan h square x. You can write in place of tan hx, you get this answer. This problem, some hint is given. You can use this hint and formula. You can find the first one. Second one, cot is there. Cot h of x minus y. Let us what you can take. Cos h of x minus y by sin h of x minus y. You can write cos h of x minus y formula. Cos hx into cos hy minus sin hx into sin hy. All by you can write this formula is sin hx into cos hy minus cos hx into sin hy. This is the formula. In this formula, dividing a numerator and denominator, dividing with sin hx into sin hy. This numerator divided with sin hx into sin hy. Previous problem model, that is tan h of x minus y explained. That model you can do that. You get the RHS part. This is the second problem hint. You can use this in completed total problem. Next one is cos h of x is given. You can find cos h of 2x. Cos h of 2x in terms of cos formula 1 2 cos h square x minus 1. You can write cos h of value is 5 by 2. You get the cos h of 2x value, some value is there. Next you can write cos h square of 2x plus minus sin h square of 2x equal to 1. First identity. In this identity you know that this value substituted, you get sin h of 2x value. This problem also be very important repeated problem in IP examination. This problem you can do that using this into first problem model.